Feast your senses on the vibrant, healthy flavors of the Mediterranean diet. A lifestyle choice that's more than just a passing trend. This diet is a heart-healthy eating approach that includes fresh, quality foods and daily exercise. The Mediterranean diet is a treasure trove of nutrients, packed with the goodness of fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and the star ingredient, olive oil. These foods aren't just about tantalizing your taste buds, but they are also rich in healthy fats, fiber, and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. The secret to the Mediterranean diet's popularity: it's not only beneficial to your health, but it's also delicious. This diet reduces the risk of heart disease and lowers the bad cholesterol level. It is associated with a reduced incidence of cancer and Parkinson's and Alzheimer's diseases. Today we're exploring the flavorful world of Mediterranean meal prepping. We'll take you through an entire day's worth of meals, breakfast, lunch and dinner, all inspired by the sun-drenched regions of the Mediterranean. Kick off your morning with a Mediterranean-style omelette, packed with fresh tomatoes, spinach and a sprinkle of feta cheese. This protein-rich breakfast is sure to keep you satiated until lunch. Speaking of lunch, nothing beats a Greek-inspired salad. Crunchy cucumbers, juicy tomatoes, zesty red onions and salty olives, all topped with crumbly feta cheese. Drizzle some olive oil and balsamic vinegar on top for that true Mediterranean touch. When dinner rolls around, enjoy a classic Mediterranean dish: grilled chicken with a side of quinoa and roasted vegetables. The marinade, a blend of olive oil, lemon and herbs, adds that signature Mediterranean zest to the dish. Meal prepping isn't just about cooking, it's about portioning and storing your meals effectively. By preparing your meals ahead of time, you can control your portions and ensure you have healthy options readily available. Remember to label your containers with the date to maintain freshness. In a nutshell, the Mediterranean diet is a healthy, flavorful way to eat, and meal prepping makes it easier to stick to this lifestyle. It's a win-win situation. You get to enjoy delicious food while taking care of your health. We hope you found this deep dive into Mediterranean meal prep helpful. If you'd like to see more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And remember, we're always here to answer any questions or provide more meal prep ideas. Until next time, this is your guide to healthy living, signing off. Here's to a life full of flavor and good health.